What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see in the montage I just did, hope you guys enjoyed it, we have some super rare, not super rare, but rare, charge speed, carbon fiber rear spats for my brother's 2004 STI. We got them from Japan. Shout out to, I'll put his Instagram on the screen. I forgot to pronounce your Instagram honestly. I'll put it on the screen though. Shout out to you, bro. They look sick. Thanks for packaging the package mentally. Not mentally, that's not a word, but the packaging was awesome, alright man? So here they are. Charge speed spats for the 04 STI. You can see the charge speed. Little stamp there. Super clean, good condition. Just a little bit of wear right there, but that's where the tire kicks up all the stuff from. And these were from Japan, and we just cleaned them off, and there were some like bugs there. So I was like, wow, that's cool, JDM bugs. So we just washed them off. We're gonna throw them on today, and they're gonna look sick. Right now we have the, as you say, the replica spats. They're just plastic. I'll show you what they look like on it. Here's what they look like. Those are just the replica plastic ones. Same shape and style, just black, not carbon fiber. So still look much more better since we have a lot of carbon fiber on the car. We have the hood, the mirrors, the Sims wing, and then the roof spoiler. So it's gonna tie it in really nice, and hope you guys enjoy this little install video. Now that we have the car jacked up in the air, we can see underneath. It's only, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that holds this on. And that's about it. And it's really just drill. I'm gonna undrill this one and then drill that carbon one in. Same to that side. I'm not gonna show you guys how to do that. I just said it. It's very simple, it's just screwing into it. And then I'll show you guys the after product in a little bit, alright? Alrighty guys, the spats are now on. They look crazy good. Even though it's the same shape as the other ones, they're carbon fiber. Beautiful. Fits super flush. Looks sick. Now it could match this carbon fiber Sims wing, this Sibin roof spoiler, this mirrors, the hood, and of course the APR front splitter. All we need next is the charge speed side skirts, which those are super rare and expensive, so but that's next, hopefully. And then basically we're done with the carbon fiber. We have the whole entire lip kit, carbon fiber, and the wing and the hood. So yeah, carbon fiber crazy, right? The fitment is on point. Here's a top view, just a finger. And here is from the back view. They fit perfect, looks great, and I'm glad we got them. All we need is the charge speed side skirts now, and the carbon theme is complete. Hope you guys enjoyed this little install video. If you have not subscribed and liked this video, drop a comment as well while you're at it. Follow the Instagram, linked in the description, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.